Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we will be discussing how to filter out the best meme coins using PUMPVISION and BULLX platform. So meme coins are a rapidly growing trend, but with so many options, it's important to know how to identify the best ones with high potential. So in this video, we will learn the filtering techniques and the key metrics that can help you narrow down the most promising tokens. So if you want to get access to BULLX, then I have put my link down in the description. So if you use that link, then you don't need to wait for the early access in order to get into BULLX. So once you are over here, you need to click on PUMPVISION, and PUMPVISION is a platform that is the essential tool to filter out the meme coins, especially as millions of these tokens are being launched. So by using specific filters, you can find the tokens with a higher probability of success, and you can avoid those that are most likely to fail. Now here is the brief overview of the key filters that we will be using today. First, you need to make sure that it is pump fund token only. Second thing, exclude the moonshot tokens. And the third thing is to set minimum requirements for social engagement, developer holdings, percentage, holders, and the volume. So on PUMPVISION, we have three sections: new creation, about to graduate, and graduated. So first we will filter out in the new creations. So you need to click on filters. So here the dev holding should be maximum 5, so you need to type 5 over here. The minimum number of holders should be 20. The minimum volume should be at least 5,000. The market cap of at least 10,000, and the token age should be minimum 300. So here you just have to click on apply. Now these parameters will help you to filter out the noise and give you the most promising tokens. So after applying these filters, you will see much more manageable list of the tokens to research further. Now we are going to filter out the about to graduate tokens. So again click on filter, and here the pump fund tokens with at least one social profile. So you just have to check this box. After that, the dev holding should be maximum of 5%. Next, there should be minimum 50 holders. So in the holders, type 50. Now the market cap for the about to graduate should be at least 115,000 market cap. So you just have to provide these and click on apply. Now the refined list offers the token that are potentially close to making significant gains. Now once the token has graduated, you don't need to actually apply too many filters, as a new simple ones will sufficient. So you need to focus on the pump fund tokens with at least one social profile and the market cap above 10,000. Graduated tokens might have had significant price increase and dips, making it important to monitor their charts closely to buy during the dip. So when reviewing the tokens, you need to always check the signs of the high insider holdings or the sniper activity. So if a large percentage of a token's supply is held by insiders or developers, the risk of the rug pull increases. So you need to focus on the tokens where the insider or the developer holdings are below 10%. Now let's take a quick look at the chart of some of the selected tokens. For example, if a token has steady buying and selling patterns with support zones, it's usually a healthier investment. On the other hand, tokens that show sharp increases and lack major dips could be manipulated by the insiders. You need to remember that the meme coin market can be volatile, so always manage your risk and avoid investing blindly. You need to research every token, so look at their social profits, track trading volumes before making any decisions. So that's it for this video. To wrap up, you need to filter out the meme coins with PUMPVISION and the BULLX. So with the right tools and the strategies, you can significantly increase your chances of finding the high potential tokens. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like, comments, and subscribe for more updates. If you want to get the link of BULLX and PUMPVISION, I have put them down in the description, so make sure to check that out. Thank you so much for watching.